Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about how to create and customize a website on Wix for home appliances business, easy and quick. So, as we know, Wix is a type of websites that you can create easily using a platform called Wix. It helps you build your own site without needing to know how to code. It offers various tools to design, add content and customize your site. So, first of all, let's start from here, build with Wix editor. Now, as you see, you can start with Touch AI, so it's gonna help you to build and customize your site. And also, you can set up without AI. So let's go to the basic setup. Okay. So as you see here, you can enter your business type. So now you can select your business type, whatever you like. For example, I'm gonna choose this one, home improvement store. Now you can enter your business name or the store name. What would you like to sell? Physical products or digital products or dropshipping products? So this is depends on your business. Where would you like to sell? Online store or your mobile app or marketplace and social media? Now let's continue to dashboard. Okay, so let's go to design the site. So how would you like to design a website? You can let Wix create a site for you or customize design template. So let's get started from here. Now you can enter your informations, the logo, your name, your email, your address and your phone. Also, here you can pick a theme you like, pick a theme match your business. So you can try your best to make your site look attractive to attract more customers to your website. Now you can pick your favorite homepage. Okay. So I'm gonna choose this one. Now you can add pages to your site if you want. So let's move on. Now wait a few seconds for preparing the homepage design. Now your site is up and running, so you can go to editor to complete the design. As you see here, this is the editor page. So here you have elements, you can add sections, you can design the site. So first of all, here you find in the elements the text, the theme text, the titles, the paragraphs, the text mask, so you can customize whatever you like here. Also, if you wanna upload images or import images, also you can customize the themed buttons, the text and the icon buttons, the icon buttons. Also, you can customize decorative, the themed lines, the basic shapes and arrows, horizontal lines, vertical lines. Okay, so if you wanna add something new, you can just click here on section, and you can select what kind of section you want to add on your home page. If you wanna design the site, just from here you can customize your site design. You can change the color theme, the text theme, the page background, the page transitions. Okay, so as you see here, the first section we have the header section. You can change the site name if you want. Also, you can change the horizontal menu. So let's move on, nothing special here. The second section, the welcome section, here you have this title here. You can also regenerate it. You can change the strip background, the section background, the color. Okay, let's move on to the next one. This is about section. So if you want to change the image, just click on it. just click on it and click change strip background and click on image, and now you can search here on your type of your business, home appliances for example. Okay, so you can select from here the image you want. Okay, I'm gonna choose this one. And if you want to change the text, just click here create AI text and select the type of the section, and also you can insert information to include here. So after this you can click here and it will be created for you. So that's it. Now let's move on to the next section, the product section. So if you want to manage products or create your product, you're gonna create it here. Okay, so if you want a new product, click here, select your type of your products, and now you can customize it. Now you can add the title of your product and the image and videos on your product. You can also add the product information, the name, the description. You can customize here the price and options. Also you can customize the discount and the sale price. You can manage the inventory and the shipping settings. So after you're done from here, you can save this place and complete design. So as you see here, nothing special here, just if you want to change this image, and also you can change the text right here. So that's it. And the last section here, the future section, so you can just add your email and your company name for the copyright. So before you publish your website, you can, for example, if you want to see what your site looks like on desktop and mobile, so you can click here to see on the preview before you go live. Also if you want to save it, you can save it from here, save this page. So that's it. After you're done, you can publish it and you can start selling and start your business. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.